Jay-Z and Beyonce's On the Run tour makes a stop right here in Philadelphia on July 30th, and we've got a sneak sip of what some of the celebrity VIPs will be drinking at the show. So we are here to learn how to drink like a celebrity, and what perfect way to do that than with Jay-Z's brand D'ussé.
Yep, he is the ultimate ambassador for the brand. He absolutely loves it.
The cognac is known for strong flavors.
It starts off with a nice little bold spice. Little bits of nutmeg, cinnamon.
For the tour, Jay-Z tapped celebrity mixologist Colin Asari Appiah to serve specialty drinks at the VIP lounge.
So tell us, what are the stars going to be drinking backstage at the On the Run tour?
I am going to mix 2 cocktails for you, and you're going to absolutely love them.
First up, D'ussé Lemonade.
It is definitely one of the cocktails that all the celebrities really love whenever they're backstage at the concerts. And it's fresh lemon. Pour ½ an ounce, 2 measures of water, and then the sugar for the sweetener, then followed by start of the show.
Uh-oh, we're opening the big boy.
D'ussé all day.
Hey!
Next, shake it up.
And then
It looks so pretty. It looks like summer.
it's refreshing. You taste the D'ussé in here, the fresh lemon.
How does Jay-Z like his cognac?
How does he like it? He's a purist, yeah? So he likes it neat or on the rocks. Are you ready to have a go?
I'm ready to have a go. Hold on now, I gotta get ready.
This one's called the 13th and adds fresh lime and sugar water to our main ingredient.
This is heavy.
Yeah, of course it's heavy. It's quality.
Shaken, not stirred,
You
please.
did it like a pro. Well done.
Watch out now, I might come for your job.
Exactly.
You can download the 6ABC app or visit our website for the full recipe to these A-list drinks.
Cheers to drinking like a celebrity.
Cheers for getting involved like a celebrity.